Yeah, this is welcome back to the continuation of the previous video. We next question is this. Okay, first observation: the degree of the denominator is higher than numerator. Second observation: you can see this is a repeated factor, s squared. Okay, and there's a video on all these aspects on partial fraction. Please watch my video on partial fractions. So what we do here. Uh, This is also linear. Okay. So what we do is let's take this content of the integration. Take the content of the integration s squared into 3x plus 1. So first thing to do is this repeated factor, which will be equal to a over x, followed by what? B over x squared. Okay. Then the final one plus c over 3x plus 1. On the repeated factor, if you have, for example, you have h cubed, for example, so the first one will be a over x. The second one will be what? B over x squared. The power will keep on increasing until it gets to the third part, the end of that stuff, and that will be c over x3. That is on repeated factor on linear uh, on partial fraction. So then the next thing to do is to multiply through by the common factor. The common factor is this. Okay, so multiply through by the common factor. Multiply through by the common factor. By s squared into bracket 3x plus 1. So if you do that, on the left hand side, you're going to have s squared minus 13x minus 6. And then here, one of these will go, it will remain, is s squared times this, and then times this fraction. So that will be a into brackets x 3x plus 1. Then second one, s squared will go, then we have b into bracket 3x plus 1. Then for the c also, then you have c, this will cancel there, then you have s squared. So I'm going to using equating the terms. So here, let's expand the right hand side. So this will be this one times this one. I have ax squared plus ax. Then this one plus 3bx. Then plus b. Then plus cs squared. So we can do the arrangements. This is s squared. This is s squared. So that will be a plus b. A plus c. A plus c. Now a plus c. A plus c bracket s squared. Okay, let's see for the x values. This one, that'll be a plus 3b. Then for the constant terms, n plus b. Okay, so equal to 8s squared minus 13x minus 6. Okay, then begin to equate the coefficients. Once you equate the coefficient of s squared, for s squared, you're going to have here the coefficient is 8 equal to here a plus c. Equation 1. Coefficient of x, I'm going to have minus 13 equal to what? A plus 3b. Okay. Then what next? Equation 2. And the third one, the constant terms. The constants, equal the constant terms, which equal to minus 6 equal to b. So that's very good. Gotten that. Then I can use that for second equation and get my a. So in second equation, minus 13 equal to a plus 3 into bracket minus 6. That's minus 6 minus 18. Let it go to that side. Minus 13 plus 18 equal to a. So that's equal to minus 13 plus that's plus 5. That's plus 5. So a is 5. A is 5. So if a is 5, go to the first equation. Then c will be what? You put your pi there. C will be what? C is 3. So we've gotten all that. We expand this. We're going to have 3a s squared plus ax. This one times this one, and this one times this one. then plus 3bx plus b, then plus cx squared. And that is equal to what? 3a plus c to bracket s squared. Then we have a plus 3b to bracket x. Okay, then plus b. So let's equate the coefficients. Coefficient of x squared will be equal to 8 equal to 3a plus c, equation 1. Coefficient of x here will equal to minus 13 equal to what? A plus what? A plus 3b. A plus 3b, equation 2. And the constant terms, that will be minus 6 equal to what? Equal to b. So b is what? Minus 6. If we equate the constant terms. Then from there we can use equation 2, which is equal to minus 13 equal to a plus 3 to bracket minus 6. That's minus 13. This is minus 18. Let's go to the other side plus 18 equal to a. So a is equal to what? A is equal to a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5. Then the first equation, use that to get your a, to get your c. Okay? Use the first equation to get your c, which is equal to 8 equal to 3a. Your a is 5 plus c. So this is 15. So c is what? This is 15. That's 8 minus 15 equal to c. So c is equal to what? Minus 7. C is equal to minus, okay. So which will be equal to integral of 8x squared minus 13x minus 6 all over x squared into bracket 3x plus 1 equal to integral of, my a is what? My a is 5 over x plus b. B is minus 6. So this will turn to negatives. This will turn to negative minus 6 into bracket x squared, then plus c. And c is also minus 7. So this also will turn to negative. That is 7 over 3x plus 1 dx. So the answer will be equal to what? 5 ln x. This one, you can do this one, which is equal to minus 6 x minus 2. If you go up, plus 1 over minus 1, then minus 7 ln 3x plus 1. Okay, and then you divide by what? By that, over 3 plus c. So that's that on that for your answer. And observation, look at your 7, integral of 7. 7 can go outside, 1 over 3, 3 plus 1. Okay, in the law, we said that ideally is what we have at the standard table, which is ln what? ln x. Okay, so if you are now multiplying the variable by a number, okay, let's say I have 3x here now. Okay, I have 3x here now. I'm going to divide by that number, by that constant. If you are multiplying the variable by a constant, you have to divide your answer by that constant. And that's what we did in this place. Okay, so that's that and that. So we take go to the next question. Question 4. Question 4, Q4. We have 4x, integral of 4x over x squared plus 4 into bracket s squared plus 8. Observation 1 is that the denominator power is higher than the numerator. Observation 2, each of those factors are what? Quadratic in nature. And when you have quadratic, it's going to be, this will be your form. When you are resolving to partial fraction, that will be ax plus b over the quadratic, then plus, to follow, plus cx plus d over what? Over s squared plus 8. So that will be your form for the partial fraction. Okay. Then the next thing to do, we can, if you like, this is the x. Okay. You can put your integral at this point. So I'm going to take that integral outside. Yeah, I'm going to take it outside. So we're now having 4x over s2 plus 4 into bracket s power 2 equal to ax plus b all over s squared plus 4 plus cx plus d all over s squared plus 8. So we're going to multiply it through by this common factor. So if you do that, we have 4x equal to ax plus b times s squared plus 8, then followed by cx plus d times s squared plus 4. So this is what we did. So I'm doing this one times this one times this one. Okay, cx. Then the next thing is to let's expand the left hand side, the right hand side. This one times this one, I have ax cubed, and this one times this one plus 8ax, then plus this one times this one plus bx squared, then plus 8a. Okay, expand this one also. This one times this one, I have cx cubed, then plus 4cx, then plus dx squared, then plus 4d. So that's my expansion. Let's check it again. This one times this one. Yeah, this one. Okay. This one times this one. That's 8ax. This one times this one, bx squared. Okay, then this one times this one, 8a. This one times this one, I have this. Okay. Then this one times this one, I have 4cx. Okay, then this one times this one, d squared and 4d. So let's try to collate together. This will be a plus cx. This one and this one. And then together. Then s squared, let's do down. S squared, we have b, this one, another s squared plus d, s squared. So this one and this one is done. Next one, for the x value, 8a, this one, another one again, another one, plus this one, plus 4c x. Then the constant terms, we have 8a plus 4d equal to 4x. So begin to equate the coefficient. Equate the coefficient. If you do that, this one, you don't have s cube on the left hand side. So that will be a plus c equal to 0. Equation 1. Equation 2, b plus d. We don't have the s squared on the left hand side equal to 0 too. Then the other one, 8a plus 4c, coefficient of x, we have here equal to 4. Equation 3. Okay, equal to 4. Yeah. Then we also have the constant terms, 8a plus 4d equal to what? Equal to 0. There's no constant terms on the left hand side. So let's see which one we can solve quickly. Let's really solve, this is 4. Let's solve this and this now. Let's quickly solve this and this. Let's see what we can get. Equation 4 minus 2. 8a minus b. No, they are not solvable. Sorry for that. So let's solve this one and this one. Okay. So that will be equation 3 minus 1. So 8a minus a, I have 7a. 4c minus c. Okay. And what to do? So what we do, let's solve 1 and 3 together. And by so doing, can we multiply this one times 4 multiply that one by times 4. So equation 1 becomes 4a plus 4c. So if I'm equal to what? Equal to 0. Okay. So equation star and equation 3. 8a plus 4c equal to 4. Equal to 4. That's the equation 3. Can we subtract the two together? This one minus this one minus 4a. This one minus this one, that's 0 plus 0. And this one minus this one minus what? Minus 4. So a is what? A is a is 1. A is 1. So if a is 1, we can go back to equation 1 and a plus c equal to 0. A is 1 plus c equal to 0. So c is what? Minus 1. So we've gotten a, we've gotten c. Okay. Can we go to, okay, we've gotten, let's go to equation 4. 8a plus 4d equal to 0. So a is what? A is 1, that will be 8 plus 4d equal to 0. 4d equal to minus 8. D is what? Minus 2. Because in d also, this is minus 2. If d is minus 2, we've gotten a, we've gotten c, we've gotten d, we need b. So where do we have b? We can go back to equation 2 and get the b. B plus d is equal to 0. So b minus 2 equal to 0. B is what? B is 2. B is 2. So these are the values we got. Yeah, here is b times this one. That's b s squared, and b times 8 is 8b. It's not it's 8b. This is 8b. This is 8b. Okay. Then this one times this one, correct? This one times this one for c. Then this one times this one, then for d. So the constant terms. If you equate the constant terms, that's the 8b. That's 8b. That's 8b. 8b plus 4d. So we've gotten our a, we've gotten our c. So to get we can get b now. We can get b plus d. Okay, we don't know d yet. Okay, a and c is gotten. Then we can we have b plus d equal to 0. Okay, plus d equal to 0. We also have 8b plus 4d equal to 0. Okay, this is equation 2 and this is equation 4. Okay, this is equation 4 together. So this one times 4, this one times 4, this one times 4. So we have 4b plus 4d equal to 0. Let's subtract these two. This one minus this one, 4b. This one minus this one, 0. So equal to what? 0. So b is what? B is 0. Okay, and b is 0. Then we can substitute back. B plus d equal to 0. B is 0. Okay, plus d equal to 0. So d also is also 0. So b and d, they are both 0. Okay, they're both 0. So the next thing to do now is to plug back into the equation to be equal to integral 4x over s squared plus 4 into bracket s squared plus 8 dx is equal to a is what? A is 1, so that's x plus b is what? 0. So that one is gone. S squared plus 4. Then plus C, we have C as minus 1, so that's minus x all over D 0, x squared plus what? Plus 8. Okay? So integral of these two. So we can split, this will now become this one. Okay, integral of this x over x squared plus 4 dx. This one will be, this is minus integral of, derivative of this one is 2x. That's 2x. So that's 2 here, cancel the half here, all over x squared plus 8 dx. Okay, so, and that gives me this one also. We can introduce 2 here and cancel this. No. What happened there? That's 2x. Yeah, 2x. Cancel this. So that's half ln x squared plus 4 and then plus half ln x squared plus 8 plus c. Yeah, this is a minus here. This minus here. So this one will also be minus here plus c. So that's that on that question. That's that on that question. It's a little bit long. Okay, it's a bit long. So if you look at it also, I think the best option, the only option we can do here is to begin to equate the coefficients. And care must be taken when you are expanding. Okay, so that's that. That's that. When we listed all the equations, and the first thing we did is to get our A and C. So A, equation 1 and 3 is combinable. Okay, if you multiply this one by 4, it's combinable. You can get something out there. But once you get your A, you can substitute back to between 1 and 3, substitute back and get the other variables. Then after that, combine 2 and 4 and get that. So once that one is done, then begin to plug back. Then you have this expression, and this is derivative of this one is 2x. This is x here. Into this 2 here and cancel it out here. And that'll be ln of the denominator. And that's what we got there. Then here also, it's the same thing. The derivative of this one is 2x. This minus can come here. Okay? Then cancel it out here. The derivative of this one is 2x. Into this 2 here, cancel that 2 outside. And that'll give you that 1. Okay? So that will take us to the next question, which will be question. We have question 5 and 6 now. 5 and 6. So join the next video for question 5 and 6.